Alright, so this video will be about how to build your own budgie nesting box. I'm just going to try to reuse some old, I think it's furniture wood or something. Some screws, some nails, a hammer, a screwdriver, just the basic things.
I am not very strict when I measure the wood or when I cut it. This way it will not look perfect, but it's not about the looks anyway. I am using very old, damaged wood, and as long as you hang the nest box in a dry area, it will be no problem. After a couple of years, you will probably have to replace the nest boxes, so I don't put too much money in buying new wood. If you decide to paint the nest box, or if you want to treat it with some varnish, make sure you choose a safe brand, because otherwise you might poison your birds. I prefer not to use any paint or varnish, just to be safe.
Alright, so now I've cut all the pieces of wood. And I can actually show you what the plan really is. So this will be the bottom part, this will be the back, like this, and this will be the front part. So this will need a hole for the budgies to get in and out. This will be a side part, and this will also be a side part. Will fall off. And this will be the roof. So by putting it like this and screwing nails or putting a nail, screwing screws or putting a nail through the side parts, we will be able to open it like that. So let's see how that works out. Alright, so I've decided to put a little something extra in it. This piece of wood will come here, and I will make a big hole in it, like this, and it will be an extra little place for the eggs and the little chicks, so they won't lose heat. Alright, so now I'm going to attach the front parts, but I need a hole for the little budgies to get in, so I'm gonna cut that on. I'm gonna drill the hole about right there. So, as you can see, this is the front part. It's not attached yet, but we need two more things. One is a little stick for the birds to land on, and on the other side I'm going to attach a little piece of wood for the young birds later on to climb out of the nesting box a little easier. Okay, so right now everything is in its place, and I only have to attach the roof. So the roof system was like this. I will put this between the other parts, and then I will put a screw in here and in here, and I will be able to open it like that without any other equipment. Alright. Okay, so our nesting box is finished now. We have top part we can open, just like this. We can actually put it in the budgie case quite easy with the hooks. It has a landing stick for the budgies. It also has a little hole in it for the eggs and chicks, and it has a little wooden step for the budgies to get in and out easier. That's it. It looks like crap, but the budgies, they won't care. And I think it's just, you know, I recycled all of the wood. I didn't buy any new wood for this, so I don't really care how it looks. It's just a recycled product, and that's also important.